Hello South Africa. Pirates have run out of patience with underperforming striker. For the most part, it has been a season of progress at Orlando Pirates, but careful planning and preparation has already begun for next season as the Buccaneers look to assemble a squad capable of competing for league honors again. While Pirates have set their sights on several key player targets, there are also expected to be some departures from the wider squad. According to Fokoathi, one player said to be offloaded is striker Kwame Pera, who has failed to make the desired impression while on loan at Maritzburg United. Pera arrived in South Africa with great expectations a couple of seasons ago, but the move hasn't worked out, and apparently Pirates will now look to part ways with him. They have been monitoring his progress. Unfortunately, the technical team is not happy with him, said a Fokoathi source. He was supposed to show them that he deserves to play for Pirates, but he has failed dismally. They will be putting him on the transfer list come the end of the season. They don't think he will add value to the team. Other Buccaneers news to keep track of relates to Richard Ofori, who is back at full training after being sidelined since November last year. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Luke for the South African.